Guys, let's draw Suicune. You guys ready? Yeah? Alright, cool. Let's do it. So, we're going to start off with the eye, which is just a triangle. It's a triangle that, I guess, yeah, it's just a triangle. And then we're going to move on to what's inside, which is the little circle that represents the eye. It's just like that. And then you can do like the miniature circle that goes in between, and that should be good to go. Now, Suicune has this headpiece, and it's got like two horns on the side of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line like this, and we're going to bring it back to right about there. And this is part of like the headpiece I was talking about. And then we're going to draw the front of the headpiece, which is just a little curve, and it stops right there. And we're going to leave that right there. Then you could draw the left horn, or I guess that's what it's called. It's called a horn, and it comes back just like that. Now it's further away, so it isn't going to look like the one on our right here. And then now we can begin drawing the big part of the headpiece. I don't even know what to call this, guys. But we could start off over here. And we're going to leave that right there because I do want to continue on to the other side and bring it all the way back. So just draw a line right through there and then bring it back. And it's kind of like this little, it's not a diamond, but it's like an octagon. I don't even know. It's like a shape, right? It's like one of those keychain shapes, right? And then it comes all the way around and it goes and meets up with that. And then start from over here, and you can start I guess doing the inner side of it, right? It's pretty thick. And then you can go to the other side and then try to meet your way towards the back just like you did before. And it's going to look just like that, you know, lines passing through and all whatnot. And then let's go for the nose. The nose, it's just going to be like that. And then you're going to put the mouth on the bottom of that nose. It's more like a muzzle, I guess you would say. And just like that. Then the neck, I mean not the neck, he has like a bottom piece on his mouth. Alright, so the bottom piece on the mouth. And then the mouth just goes on like this. Okay. So that's where the neck is. So we're gonna do. He has got ribbons, so we're gonna draw the ribbons that are like going through the body. So do a line that goes through there, and then do another line that goes outward, and we're gonna bring that line back all the way here. And this is so that we can continue on as the body keeps going, right? Okay. And now we can do the other ribbon that's on the other side of his body. And it comes back just like that. Alright, good job, guys. I'm proud of you. Alright, so now he's got patterns throughout his body, right? So this line is going to go through the eye, so pay attention to this. It goes through like that, and it goes where the ribbon is starting to go through. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to draw, like, I guess, like part of his chest or stomach. So put a line through right about there. And just leave that there. And then we're going to keep that pattern going. Remember the pattern that we started towards the eye? We're going to bring it down a little bit. And then from there, I'm going to leave a little gap in between here because I do want it's just like stylizing, right? Like making it look good. It's kind of like what I like to do that sometimes. Like I just like to leave lines like open. But this is going to be where the leg is, I guess you would say. So start drawing the leg like that and leave it there. And then from the other side, bring it again. And you're going to leave it right there. Perfect. And then we're going to bring the leg out. Good. Leave that there. He's got a leg on the other side, guys, so we got to do that too. So we're going to bring that down. And he's got the pattern that is in the inside of the leg. And we're going to bring that in too. Leave a gap in between, because I do like doing that. I don't know, I just like it. It's just me, guys. Feel free to not leave a gap if you don't want to, but I do that. And we're going to bring the outer part of the leg right there. Great. So now he's going to be bending his paw down, so I need you guys to bend the paw down a little bit, and then you're going to draw the paw right there, just like that. Okay. So now we're going to do the rest of his other leg by bringing this part line down, and then we're going to leave a little bump there, and bring the other line down, leave it just like that, perfect. And then we're going to draw the rest of his paw, starting with this side. And it goes just like this, like that, and it comes back up just like that because he's kind of standing on it, guys. Okay, good job so far. I would say that we're, you know, more than a quarter way there. And actually, we're almost halfway there. We'll say that. All right, diamond. We got to do the diamonds that he has. He's got little diamond patterns. My goodness, Suicune, you're so complicated, but you got diamonds. So do that diamond. And he's got a little baby diamond that goes under, which is, you know, it's good stuff. Baby diamond. Okay, so I want to continue this ribbon thing, right? This ribbon thing that goes on. Let's bring this line throughout over here, and we're going to leave it right there. Now, we're leaving it right there because it's going to get confusing if I don't, but we're going to bring the ribbon around like this. Now, hold on, guys. I just want you to notice that, yes, I do leave a little weird spacing in between here, and it makes sense because we're going to stop it right there. And then watch what I do here. I'm going to put a line here and a line here, because what's happening here is the ribbon's actually going like, it's doing like a weird shape, like it's floating through the wind. So you're seeing it like twist in a way. So now what we can do is bring it down, and it's going to look really good. It's going to look like it's going through the wind like that. Perfect. Good job, guys. Proud of you. Proud of you. I'm proud of you. All right, so now we can go through the stomach over here. The stomach is going to go on a little bit to the ribbon, and then the pattern that is on his stomach goes through too. So now this part up here, pay attention up here. We're going to draw part of his hair, I guess you would say. He's got like purple hair, right? And it's going to go through like that, but we're going to leave it like that because I just want that to be there so we can kind of just continue on with the body. Now this line over here that we're doing here is going to be the top part of his body, like his back. Great. Great, great, great. Now we could do a diamond, because diamonds are fun. This diamond is going to go towards the top part of his body. You know, he's got a few of those diamonds, guys, so you gotta pay attention to that. Great. Now, let's continue the stomach. Let's move that a little bit. That's the pattern right there. And then the bottom part of the stomach. Good. Whew, okay. More than halfway, I would say. Good job, guys. All right, so now this ribbon, we're going to continue it. Again, pay attention to how this ribbon goes, because I know it's a little confusing with this ribbon, but it's honestly, like, it looks really cool when it flows through the wind like that, so we're just going to do that. Let it circle around a little bit like this, but you're going to bring it up to where you left off your stomach, and you're going to leave that part right there. Now, I want to put a line through here. So do a line like that, because now you can bring the other side towards where that line ends, just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring the ribbon all the way up, and it's going to end right there. Nice job, guys. Okay, so now the back can go a little bit more, just like that. And then this ribbon is going to pass through, and you're going to leave that line right there. And then you're going to follow it around like that with the other side of it. And as you can see, that the ribbon is actually going towards the back of him, right? And that's pretty cool. But what makes this easy now is we can draw the leg in the back of his body. So do a line that goes through there. Leave it there, because now we can draw the other side of his, like the front part of his leg. And it's going to make it a whole lot easier if we do a line just like this to figure out where the foot's going to be. So then continue on over here. Make sure that back part is a little bent like that because it's the back of his leg. And it's going to end right there. And then we can take the front part and kind of figure out where that's going to end up. It's going to be like this. Good job. So now this back line over here is gonna go a little bit down, and that's gonna be like the end of his foot, which means it's easier to like bring the to draw the rest of the paw of the foot, I guess you would say. Is that what you would call it? I don't know. I don't know if that's what you call it, but it's the three yeah, it's the three that goes right there. All right, guys, nice. All right, so we're getting there. We're getting there. All right, so my apologies if it's taking long, but I mean we're getting there. We're doing good. All right, so the hair, we're gonna continue the hair, and it's gonna be a little wavy like this, just a little wavy like this, and then this is gonna go around. The line's gonna go around just like that. Now again, the ribbon's a little crazy weird, so there's gonna be a line that goes through, guys. Just pay attention to that, okay? The line that goes through. I'm going to do that, and then we're going to go under over here, because that's going to go towards the back of his yeah, the back of his body, and it's going to end just right there. That ribbon is so crazy, but yeah. Alright, so now what we can do is the leg on the other side, and that's always like the hardest thing to do, at least for me. Like, I can never really figure out where that goes, but you guys got me, so let's do this, guys. We'll do it together. So we're gonna draw this starting over here, okay? So it's gonna go through the ribbon like this, and then we're gonna bring the line, or like we're gonna bring the foot a little bit past it like this, and it's gonna end right there, because now we can draw the back part of the foot. And it's gonna do a little like a bump like that, because that's the back of the foot, and we're gonna leave that right there, because now I want to draw the rest of the paw, which makes it a whole lot easier. It's gonna be like that, and it's gonna end just like that. Great. Now we can do the diamonds. Yay, diamonds. Alright, so there's a big diamond on his on the right. Is that his right leg? I don't know. We're gonna call it his right. And it's gonna be like that. Alright, so the diamond's going to be pretty big. It's easy to see. Good, and then we can draw the diamond that goes past the ribbon right there, because I think he's got like 3 up there. So here's one that goes past the ribbon. And don't forget the little baby diamond, because the baby diamond's the best diamond, right? The baby diamond that goes right here. Awesome. Alright, so now we're going to draw the pattern that goes to the left of the foot. So, as you can see, he's got like a pattern between his legs like that. Like he's got a pattern that goes in the insides of where his legs are. So we can put like a circle right there. It's not really a circle, I guess you would say. It's like more of like it is like a angular shape, I guess you would say. But I do want to finish the bottom, his stomach area, right? Like it goes past this ribbon, so don't forget that line there. It's easy to forget that. That's important. And then what we can do is draw the diamond that goes in between the 2 diamonds that are up top. So do this diamond, and you should be good to go. Just like this. Perfect. All right, guys. More than 75% done. We're almost there. Literally, we're almost there. The hair. Okay, the hair is gonna go past this little ribbon over here. Let it wave through. And then we're going to draw the top of the hair. Now this top of the hair, pay attention to the waves and where like the waves are. Just wave it up like this, guys. Wave it up, alright? It's going to be a wave. And we're going to end that wave right over here. And then we're going to continue this wave that goes in the bottom of it. And this is kind of going to show us where it's going to end. It ends right there. Bring it back a little bit. Good. And now, guys, we can finish it by doing the rest of the top, and doing another little spiky thing there. And we're going to bring it back, and it's going to end right there. Ooh, okay, that was good. Now, the lines that go in between, guys, just try to pay attention to where those are, okay? Because, like, we're gonna space them out a little bit. We're gonna do one right there, and then it's gonna continue with this line. And it's going to go all the way over here, and then we're going to have this line go through here, and that's almost there. Now we could just do the top hair, right? The top hair is going to go through like this. It's just another wave bump, and then another wave bump, And it's just like that. Guys, literally, like, so close, so close. All right, so he's got 2 ribbons, right? So we got to finish that ribbon on the other side of the ribbon, because those ribbons come out of the back over there. So what we can do is close the ribbon off right here, just like this. And there's going to be a ribbon that goes through right over here by doing lines like this, and lines like this. And guys, we are done! That's it! Oh my gosh, Suicune is over with, and I hope that didn't take forever, but my goodness, that was crazy. I do appreciate you watching the video. Maybe you did stick around, or if you did, you're amazing. And I hope that this came out the way you wanted it to, and if it did, I'm so happy for you. And if it didn't, I hope that it does in the future. I hope I can make something that maybe it'll come out better next time. But yeah, guys, I hope that this was good. I hope that this helped you out. And here's the colors. All right, here's how it looks like with the colors, in case you guys want to color it and stuff like that. You know, that's also cool to go. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks so much. Happy Pokemon, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. 100%. Have an awesome day. Bye, guys.